Hello guys, come back again with me Wayan, one of the driver from Bali Tour Advisor and also tour organizer. So this moment I'm with my Sudan customer, stop at Warung Deyoni. Hello sir, how are you? Could you introduce yourself to my viewers? What is your name?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim, and
Yeah.
my name is
Ala.
Ala. Okay. So how was our trip today so far?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you so much. So, are you guys, if you come to Bali and then having problem to find English-speaking driver with friendly service, please don't be hesitate to contact us. You can inbox and also you can drop us message on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching and see you in Bali.